Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this video is mainly about taking a backup of Google Photos that you saved all these days. Why we need to take a backup? So that is a question. So what happened is Google has changed its storage policy. So starting from 1st June 2021, new photos and videos that back up in high quality. So all these days what we were doing is like we had set up a auto backup in all our mobile phones. So whatever photos we click was getting stored under high quality storage format, which was totally free. Unlimited storage was given under high quality. Okay, so we were storing n number of photos there. But now what, from June 1st, all this high quality will be counted towards your free 15 GB Google account. Meaning, so if you are exhausting this 15 GB of Google storage, you will be charged. So you have to pay a premium amount, a monthly or yearly amount to save all your photos. Else you have to find options to reduce the number of photos, or you have to download all the photos taken all these years to a different device, or find other cloud storage options. So this is what they are giving. So this announcement came, I think, last September, when you were using Google Photos. There was always a message stating that from June 1 you will be getting charged. So what happens is that for the mobile users who are using the Google's own Pixel 5 and earlier devices, for those this change is not going to get applicable. So we'll go to the next option here. So as I said, when you log into your Google Photos account, there is always a update displayed here. So you have to click this update, and you could have seen this earlier, but now say, so as I said, there was only two formats of saving your photos, automatically backing up from your mobile device or in your laptop. So this is what the two formats: original and high quality. High quality was like little compressed format, but still the quality was very good. So beyond this, if you want to use, you have only one option. You have to buy 100 GB storage for 130 rupees per month. So this is for a laptop, and if you want to store it in a mobile, it costs much more than that. This is 169 rupees per month. So no one likes to pay a monthly premium for saving just photos. There are like, we tend to take a lot of unwanted photos every time, so we need to make sure going forward we have to avoid that, keep deleting unwanted photos to get the free photo storage, not exhausted. Make sure that it is not ever getting exhausted. Okay, 15 GB is more than enough. So what is this like? As I said, they are changing the policy from June 1. So from June 1, so if you are exhausting the 15 GB limit, you will be asked to pay the amount. So if you don't want to pay the amount, there is a tool, dedicated tool by Google, so which is called takeout.google.com. I have shared this link here. So you click on this link, then there are a lot of options there given for downloading all your storage from the Google, and you can find other options, as I said. So best option is you can store all these photos to an external hard drive, so that you clean up all this space, and again you have a 15 GB space to continue another 2 to 3 years. You can freely use this 15 GB space once you downloaded all your photos. So Google Takeout tracks all your data, and not only photos, all your drive, mail, contacts, everything is tracked under Takeout, Google Takeout. So how that works? So why we are changing? So what they have also given the reason why they are changing it. So the purpose is like 1 billion people are saving 28 billion photos per week. So imagine, so how much big is the storage. So they want to make sure that unwanted photos are not stored, and there are a lot of space available. So your existing photos won't be affected. So they're saying your existing photo taken high quality. So when you have selected high quality before 1 June, whatever high quality is free forever. So that is not going to get charged. And from 1st June, even if you're taking one single photo and you're saving it under high quality image, it is going to get charged, and it will be used counted under 15 GB. If you are exhausting 15 GB, then you have to pay no use. So we estimate, so they have also given, based on individuals account, they have given an estimate like how long you are going to take to exhaust a 15 GB limit. So for me, it's saying that you will take at least 1 year. So earlier we used to take a lot of photos. We used to roam around and talk n number of photos, but now it is getting reduced. So based on that, the calculation is 1 year. Even that will reduce because I started taking backup. So I'll be henceforth cleaning up my data so that I make sure that every time I have 15 GB available. You have option to manage your photos in June. Okay, what happens is in June they are not going to lock you out here, so they are going to give you an option here to you can there's going to be a new tool that will help you to review your photos, remove all unwanted photos there, blurry, dark and other low quality photos can be deleted. So you will have an option with that tool. Google will introduce those tool. You can select those photos and straight away delete them, so which is not at all useful for you. Okay, so more than that, if you want to still keep all the photos, you are not sure which photos to delete, then no way, you can go ahead and pay this monthly fees. And how can you do that? Go to Google Photos. So click on the settings options. You have a export your data options. When you scroll down, after selecting the settings option, you scroll down, you see a export your data option. You have to click the backup option here. Clicking on backup, it directly takes you to the Google Takeout option here. So select data to include. So which data you want to include. So this change in policy is applicable only to Google Photos. So you have to deselect all the options here, and you have to select, make sure that you are selecting only the photos here. Okay, I need only the photos to be backup. So you select the photos. So once you click multiple formats, so you have to see what are the formats. So you have photos, videos, album metadata, photos metadata. So everything is exported and given to you to save it in your local drive. And all photo albums, you click here, you are taken to this list. So it's lists all the albums and all the photos that you have stored in Google Photos. And again, when you click more products, so I want more things to be backed up. I want, like, you can have list of things listed here by Google. So what and all you want to back up. So mainly I wish to back up like Chrome bookmarks, whatever bookmarks I have created. I would like to, of course, backup those. Contacts, yes, I need all my contacts to be saved. You can select that. When you click on next, so it will ask for you the type, frequency and destination. So what type, how type you need to export, and what is the frequency. So frequency, if you go, I will opt for a default one, selected export once. So export it at once and then clean up the space. Or if you see that I have only very less usage, then you can give this export every 2 months option. So for 1 year it keeps exporting and sending you all the photos. Okay, and here don't change the file type, keep it as zip. And here you have multiple options, but better keep it 2 GB, so that will be very good to easily download. There are many other options here. 2 GB based on your internet speed, maybe you can go up to 4 GB, but recommended is 2 GB. So once you click that, you are done. The Google will take care of the backing up and sending you the email. So what it does, it says this process can take long time to complete. You will receive it. So once this is complete, you will receive an email. Okay, this is a confirmation email that I got that your photos are getting archived. So this is the confirmation that everything is ready. And once this is done, I get another mail stating that your photos are downloaded. Then here is the check that you have to make sure that within 1 week you have to download all the photos. So for me, I started today 23rd May, and it is asking me to download within 30th. So this is the list of downloads I have been, I have one of 57 downloads, so I have to download 57 times and keep it to my local. So this is like my storage was like 112 GB, so I am downloading. I have no options, I have to download all because I have a lot of photos there. So this is like when you click on the option, so you get this download button. Click on the download. There is no select all options. You have to click one by one and download. There is no other option. So all these photos will be in a zip format downloaded to your local computer. So here what happens is it gives that following things are ready for download, and there are some exceptions, like not all are downloaded. Some photos are not able to, you are not supported date format, sorry. which you cannot download. So that it gives information, but I think that is fine. You can go and see which photos you don't want and delete them. So that shouldn't be a problem. So this is how you can download all your photos from Google Takeout. So now all you must do is figure out. So once you have downloaded it, so you have to figure out like where I'm going to save all those photos. Okay. So best thing is like use an external hard drive to save all your photos. Don't take multiple unwanted photos. Make sure that limit your photos every time. As soon as you're complete done with your photography, go and delete all unwanted photos. Get a habit of occasionally printing. So whatever memories, good photos, at least once in 6 months, take all the photos, print and create an album and keep it aside, so that in future that is the safest thing that we can do. Or the best other option is create a YouTube channel and upload all your photos, like create slideshows and videos. You can just merge all the videos taken for 1 or 2 months, merge all those videos and upload to the YouTube and save them as private so that nobody can view. So in case you want to save, you can change the option to unlisted in YouTube, so that you can just send the link to your friends to at least see those videos that you have uploaded to YouTube. So that way I think YouTube must be the safest, but it is going to take some time to upload. So once you are used to it, then you can keep uploading. So this is what I got the information from. This is the link I have shared. So using this link, you can go and get more details on that. So this is it about downloading the photos from Google. So make sure that before 1st of June, if you have exhausted all your space 15 GB, make sure you go and download all your photo, clean up the space, and make sure that you have at least 10 GB of free space available every time. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you, and we'll definitely meet you in a different video. Bye. See you.